clutch. You smell that rubber. Let's get my ProMoto back up. Turn on the remote. So you got that booted. Then you come to the ride and you turn it on. Then you'll hear all the beeps. And then the flywheel. And then you can hear the flywheel getting loud as hell, even though it's windy as crap out here. It'll spool up. Tire's pretty bald already. I need to put my spare tire on. It's a black wheel, but maybe I'll just paint this one black to match it. Alright, sounds like it's at full speed. Let's get it going. Feel the gyro effect when you try to twist it. Wheelie out of the box. Oh shit, thought I was gonna tag the pole. Wheelie. Takes a lot of power to do the wheelie though. You can only steer when you're full tire. I forgot how fun. Right now it's in wheelie mode, so it doesn't have the top speed, but it has the wheelie. It's a pretty dang thing. Oh shit. Woo! Oh no! Barely missed the fence. Drifting that whole bag of they just drifted. See here? He just drifted as fast as hell too. Try drifting again. Hit the brake a little bit, then drift it. You see it? He's drifting it. The whole rear end's just popping out. With the pedal. Oh, he survived. Come back around. Oh shit, it's getting squirrely. Too much water on it. It's got some speed. There we go. See if I can do a wheelie on the way back. There we go, we got a wheelie. Sorry about the wind, guys, but you know, it's just the time of the year here. Windy as hell. don't want to tag that. It will hurt. Back right here, I'm gonna try to get close one. Come on. To the high side. Yeah, high side. Dang it. Walker. The battery's starting to die a little bit. They're only 5,000. Oh, come on. Hit the throttle. Good. And on the high side. Ready? Alright, well, to swap the battery out, this battery's already getting a little low. You have to turn the flywheel off. You don't have to wait for it to spin down though. Just turn it off and then turn off the unit. So you can leave the remote on and just come over. Even though it's off, you can still feel the gyro. So come under, pull the pin, get the battery, pull the battery. Get your new battery, put your new battery, plug it in. Plug it in, move your wire out of the way. And put your pin back. A little dirty, so kind of hard to push it in when it's dirty. Then you turn it back on, turn your flywheel back on, good to go again. Go wait for it to spin back up again and then you're good to go. See, my batteries are 52s. They'll last like, the full speed runs maybe 10 minutes. But I got like 5 of them, so it's a good hour. So I'm taking it easy, it could be 2 hours. But this wheelie mode eats the batteries, so it's ready to go. So I'm gonna let the wifey try it. Then turn left. You watch. It goes real slow when you turn it. But you'll get the hang of it real quick. Now give it full speed and it'll do a wheelie. Well, slow down now. All right, we're going for number 2. We're taking 100% off the remote this time. Okay, go. All right. See, now it's a lot more kickback, so turn left. And then it'll just drag. Now give it more power, straighten it out. Now hit it full power, see if it'll do a wheelie. Okay, now hit the brake. Oh, it's a good power slide. Now go forward. Oh, you high-sided. So you just gotta tip the rear wheel on the back. Like this. And it'll start. Well, now just give it, there you go. Oh, look at that, you're doing a wheelie right there. See? Now hit the brake so you can turn a little better. Now bring it back. Just try to stay out of the dirt because the dirt, it'll be too slippery, it'll get stuck. Oh, you barely missed the pillars. Okay, brake. Oh, go give it gas. Third attempt, see? See, it's nice and mellow when you put it at 50. Just watch out for that. Oh! You're good though, bring it. Good thing you didn't hit him going full speed, shit. That might have did something. These things they're tanks. They'll take a lot of damage. Don't turn back into there. You can hit the puddle. It'll just slide. Give it. My tires are too bold. Okay, ready? And you're gonna turn right. Go. See? I'll give it some more throttle. All right. Turn. Oh, it's still alive. There you go. Yeah, they could take some damage. Alright, well, check out my tire. It's pretty worn down, but it still did good with a messed up tire. Look at that. There are no nuts on there, and then the corner's completely gone. Ooh, smell that rubber. Check it out. Tried to coming out nice. That ribeye is about done. Yeah. They're at 155, so that's done. Sometimes I go 135. It all depends. Alright, those are the two batteries I used on the ProMoto. Just putting them in the storage mode, which is like 3.8 volts, 3.82 volts, yeah, that's where I like putting it. And you can see it says storage mode, 44%. When I put them on there, they were like around 23%. Then I got to do this one too. That's the one I had in the Slash, big old 4S. It's the one that I use in my X-Max and in the Super Rockery. Well, gotta put that new tire on. That'll be my next video. Alright, well, so I got these two, and you saw this one, and then I have my other little battery charging. Wonder if anyone can guess what this is for. But, yeah, you guys have a good one, huh? This guy's done. On my big battery, I had 65%. Now it's at 64, so now it's pulling out the amps to put it in the storage mode because it's at 3.95 volts. It needs to get to 3.82 volts like this one. That takes a while though. I need to upgrade to that new one that Kevin has. Kevin Talbert. He has the newer Gens Ace one, the bigger one, which puts it into storage mode pretty quick. Alright, time to check on the tread tube. Look at that. I always do mine with the fat cap on the bottom so that I can chop it off pretty easily. It just basically falls off. And of course you get the flavor in the meat, so